I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'll be showing you how to change out the air filter on the Honda XR650L. Keeping the air that is fed to your engine clean is key to keeping your bike in good shape. Now, Honda recommends that we are replacing this air filter every 12,000 miles. However, if you are riding in wet or dusty conditions, more frequent service will be required. And it's always a good idea to go ahead and inspect your air filter before every major ride. So to help you keep your bike in great shape, today we'll be showing you how to replace the air filter on a 2016 Honda XR650L. To do this job, you'll want to have some safety glasses, rubber gloves, rags, and some contact cleaner along with a replacement air filter. For today's video, we'll be using a foam air filter with cage from Twin Air. However, we do offer many other aftermarket options as well as OEM replacements, and all of these can be found at our website, so make sure that you check those out. And as always, be sure to reference your service manual for proper procedures, safety information, and torque specs. To begin, remove the left side cover. Next, we can remove the OEM air filter. We're going to press on this retainer to release this locking tab. And then we can remove the air filter. Now, when doing this, if your air filter box is really dirty, you want to make sure to use some caution and take care to not let any dirt or debris fall into the intake tract. So take your time and carefully remove your air filter. Next, we can clean the inside of the air cleaner housing and side cover with contact cleaner and a rag. When doing this, make sure that you do not knock any dirt or debris into the intake tract. Make sure the rubber seal in the housing groove is in position and in good condition. If installing a foam air filter, be sure to oil it prior to installation. If you need help with cleaning and oiling your foam air filter, refer to our foam air filter cleaning and oiling video. Install the new air filter and secure it with the retainer by aligning the retainer boss with the element hole. For this bike, we decided to swap to a foam style of air filter over the OEM paper type. The stock paper type air filters are not serviceable, and swapping to a foam filter is better suited for the varying dusty or wet off-road conditions that we're normally riding in. And again, we have several different options to choose from on our website, so make sure that you check that out. Lastly, we can reinstall the side cover. Now, when you're mounting up the side cover, you do want to take your time and make sure that the side cover mates completely with the air box, just so that way we get a good seal. So it may take you a minute. Don't fight it, don't force it. Just make sure that you get a nice fit between your side cover and your air box, and then you can secure your 3 fasteners. All right, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's just that easy to keep up on the air filter maintenance on the XR650L. Now, if you like this video and you want to see more, make sure to hit the like button, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product spotlights, how-tos, and top 5s. I'm Dustin with Rocky Mountain. Thanks for watching, and keep the wrenches turning.